Here we are in beautiful Lecanto, Florida, and we moved out here about a year and a half ago, August 3rd of 2023, and so we've been out here for a while, and it's allowed a lot of parking for customers that want to come out here for installs and also for, technical advice. We're here to help the industry in every sort of way we can. 19-year builder. We're going to put another building up there off to the left to add more storage. We've been growing. 2025 is really a real kickoff year. We're doing really well, and we've been really busy. And especially with the economy, 36s and 45s and 47s, we come out with a more larger panel. So to replace, if somebody decides that they don't want the small pod, which is over here, we can extend it for a little bit extra, extend it and make it into a full panel. So there's a lot of options here. This is a full fab shop. We got computerized CNC to do special brackets, panels. This is a factory that's going to come out with with a lot of new accessories down the road. We build the inline filter box, as you can see, and it's just been a very busy year. I mean, 2025 has kicked off pretty well, and people are looking at our units for quality. They see the quality in the units and the way we build our truck mounts. So our access point heat exchangers, we can build any kind of bracket system that you need in order to tailor it for the undercarriage of your truck mount. In this case, this is going on a economy 36 over there, and it's on the lower undercarriage to the right, as you've seen on the previous videos. So what we're going to do is show you that we will build any kind of bracket system that's going to be tailored for your unit. In this case, this comes in on a slight H-style slant, but we can do H-style, we can do D-style, which comes in from the front. We can change the fittings. This is a 1.5 pipe nipple. So what this will use is a 1 7/8, just like this over here, a 1 7/8 flex hose, stainless. Very hard to get these in the industry, so we build around the 1 7/8 template and using a 1.5 pipe nipple. Now, as you can see, I've staged up. So I've gone from 1 inch to the standard 1 inch on Hondas, and small block engines is usually in all cases 1 inch. We put it on our press. We tailor it, make it in such a way that it comes out and it steps up to a 1.5. As you can see, these are 1 inch and they come down, steps up to 1.5. Very acceptable arrangement here for connection from a 1 7/8 to a 1.5 pipe nipple. So you got a nice secured airtight connection. And I recommend that when you're hooking up your heat exchangers, always use high pressure hoses. Stay away from stainless braided hoses we're not using anymore. We're using the really rugged, because you want your unit to be robust and last a long time. You don't have time for leaks. You're out there making money, and that's what's important. So right here, like I said, this is 18 inches long. It's Schedule 10 stainless pipe housing. It weighs a little less than, right around 45 pounds. And the inlet is 3/8 mil pipe thread, so it's interchangeable. And what I've used is ball seat 3/8 swivel, so this will actually fit into the actual opposing hose fitting, and those are the 106s. Weatherhead and Eaton Weatherhead, they sell those type of fittings. So I recommend, rather than use any flim-flammy 3/8 stainless braided, I would always use sturdy hydraulic hoses that are capable of handling high heat and high pressure. So as you can see, this unit here, it's a fully patented design. It's been out there for a number of years now. It's all parallel arrangement. So when the heat comes in, there's a little bit of residuality in here. So it creates a little bit of a turbo effect, and then some residuality, and it goes across the coils, absorbing the heat. That's what the design was all about, hitting all axes of the metal, and that's why we call it axis point heat exchanger. So we've done really well. I think we sold a couple thousand of these since its inception in the beginning. Since 2005 and 6, we developed it. In 2007, we did a provisional, and then at that point, it took us 5 years to get the patent. All along the way, we were selling these units, putting them in steamways, ProChems. And again, we also do the ProChem aftermarkets. We sell to John Donne, so that we enable people to just keep their truck mounts running and running right, and with high pressure. And the thing that stands out the most is the two things are absorption of heat, quick access to heat, and high pressure, high working pressure. All the other manufacturers use cheap copper tube and fin. They can't carry the pressure. You don't want to be out there not being able to do pressure jobs, high pressure jobs. So you want to be able to do carpet cleaning and high pressure jobs, so that you can do any type of, I don't care what it is, floor surfaces, walls, cars and boats and whatever, but you want to be able to have that full flexibility for your truck mount. Call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll help you out in any way we can. If you want to do FaceTime, or you want to write a diagram or take pictures, I can do the same for you to make it work for you. So call us at 727-505-2989, or look us up on the 24/7 store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.